Hi folks, I'm Jennifer Lau. I'm a master gardener and longtime employee at English Gardens here in Royal Oak, Michigan. I bet you've heard the buzz about how important it is to have plants in our homes, that they literally clean the air and keep us healthy. Well, guess what? It's true. But what do you do if you're new to this? You know absolutely nothing about plants, or you've tried a few and every one of them has died within a month's time? I've got news. You're not a plant killer. You just need to know some things we'll teach you. Start with a few no-fail plants. They exist. I don't like to take care of picky plants either. So here's the key. Instead of just seeing a pretty plant and bringing it home thinking it'll grow anywhere because, well, it is a house plant after all, first, look in your home and decide where a plant will make you feel good. There's an empty corner or, the place you curl up and get cozy. Then I want you to notice exactly how far away from a window it is. Is it 2 feet? Is it 10? Will physical sun hit the plant? Or will it just be bright? Is my lamp the only light it will ever see all of its days? Let's start there. Next to a sunny window, this plant, for instance, grows in Hawaii, the island where it's always 80 and sunny and a cool breeze. Believe it or not, there are a few plants from Hawaii that grow well here in Michigan, and this is one. This is a Schefflera arbicola. Now its cousin, the Schefflera amati, this grows in the more forested regions, and it's a little bit more shade tolerant, maybe 5 feet or more away from a window, and it's fine, but it grows like a monster. That may be the problem. We just want to water it like a nice soaking island rain for every 5 days, and you will have this for the next 25 years. Easy. Succulents are all the rage right now, and there's a good reason. You know how easy it is to take care of a desert plant? Place all of these just within a few feet of a window. Let them dry before you water, and if you forget, they won't hate you. Let's say you have a dark house. It's not like you can pick up your house and move it after all. Well, these plants will work there. These are different varieties of pothos or philodendron. Pothos is the female, that's all there is to it. Pothos are native to the forests in Southeast Asia. They can trail up to 10 feet long, and if you don't want them 10 feet long, you just cut them. It's just like any forest creature having a snack. They'll get eaten, and they'll grow back. I water something like this about once every 2 weeks, something smaller about once a week, something larger about once every 3 or 4 weeks. Remember, the more soil there is, the longer it holds in water. Now, these plants like it literally anywhere. The ZZ plant, it's native to Africa, and the snake plant is also native to Africa. The thing with these plants is they're able to adapt to almost any condition. Just don't water them, okay? I water these about once a month. The always popular peace lily. This is native to the Americas. People think they like the shade, and they do, but listen, I have mine in front of a window with the blinds cracked just a little bit, so it gets a little bit of morning sun every day, and I have blooms almost every single day of the year. And it is true, they reliably droop when they need a drink of water. I give it something about every week or so. I hope I've given you a good place to start. Knowing these few tips will mean happy and healthy plants, and that is what is key to no struggle. The lushness you want. You can do this. And we're here to help make life beautiful. We'll see you in the store.